Steve Perlman, CEO of OnLive, a startup in Palo Alto, California, has developed a sophisticated video compression technology providing near-instant response when streaming 3D modeling, movies, games, and other applications from cloud services. His system is one of Technology Review's 10 emerging technologies for 2011 because it takes a big step towards moving all computing to the cloud and making any application available to almost any device.
OnLive's technology is about moving computing from the local device into the cloud, but making it so that the perception to the user is that the entire computing experience is local. So what we've done is we've developed servers where we can run very high performance games and applications, things you normally have to run on a very high-end computer locally. And then you can have any local device, whether it's a TV, a tablet, a smartphone, a laptop, what have you, it doesn't really matter. And when you hit a button, touch screen, or move a mouse, whatever it is, that information gets sent through the internet up to about 1,000 miles away where we have our data center. The data center will compute the next frame of that application, and then using a proprietary compression technology, we rapidly compress that video, stream it back down the internet so it appears on the screen of your device. That entire round trip is so fast that perceptually it seems like whatever it is you're doing is running locally. One of the most advanced applications that you can run today on computers are visualization applications made by companies like Autodesk. This is Autodesk Maya. Autodesk Maya is one of their most advanced packages. It's used for motion pictures, video games, and other places where you're doing typically character animation. You can't run Autodesk Maya on an iPad. You can't run it on a laptop, not with all the features we got here. You need an extremely high performance computer. And that's in fact what we have in our data center. But here it is. I have the full generality of touch and flexibility. And in fact, you know, this 3D character here, and if I hit play, so as you can see, we're able to have, again, this full generality of capability. You notice her eyes are continuing to look at you as I move her around.
Most video compression technologies use buffers to overcome network-induced delays and drop data. Perlman's technology does this on the fly, among other things, filling in any dropped video frames so that the eye cannot detect the losses. This real-time system allows improved internet-based collaboration.
So here I've got Autodesk Maya running, and of course I can manipulate this model. Suppose I had a person who was very far away that wanted to participate for some reason. Well, with OnLive we have this concept, we call it the arena, where you can go in and watch people play games, but if in fact what you're doing is looking at somebody running an application, then here on an Android Samsung Galaxy Tab, as you can see as I manipulate this, I'm able to go and see the exact same action happening where I'm spectating. So you could easily imagine having an expert, someone far away in the world, seeing what you're doing. Using voice chat, you can communicate together and comment about whatever you're working on together. And using what we have for multiplayer capability for gaming, you could easily see how that expert can actually go and manipulate it. The long-term vision is actually to move all computing out to the cloud, where initially we'll start with the heavy lifting applications like high-end Autodesk type visualization apps. But literally there's no reason why you would not do your web surfing, actually have your web browser out in the cloud, or for that matter have your productivity applications out in the cloud, or your home videos, your personal stuff, rather than kind of being half out in the cloud where it's up on YouTube but you still need a complex player and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You could have your whole family library accessible, viewable by a lot of people at once talking together with a full generality, working with any type of device there is. Literally what we've done is we've taken what has been now, I guess, about a 2-decade-long concept of moving computing to your desktop, the idea of microcomputers, personal computers. And we said, okay, I think that era is now winding down. It's time to go and, if you will, move back to the data center, and the devices that you're going to have locally are going to be very, very simple, but powerful beyond belief.